Good morning, first graders. This morning I am on here with you guys just because I found a new website. It is math, but it is games, so it is having fun while expanding our minds, and I can't wait to share it with you. Right now, you guys are looking at my computer screen. I am on Google. And you don't need to do anything on your computer. This is strictly just me showing you where to go, what to do, so that way when it is your turn, you know exactly what to do. So just go ahead and watch for right now. In the search bar up here, click, and it should highlight all the words. You're going to type in mathgames.com and press enter, and it'll take you to the website. Scroll down, and there's some practice math games. You're welcome to do these anytime we have free time or at home. These games with the stars right here, they're going to be ones that we cannot play, unfortunately, just because you need to subscribe to the website and pay, but we are not going to do that. But that's okay because there's still lots of other games and practice that we can get over here without these. And there's more too down here. Let's see, check those out. See, there's lots of other ones. Zombie Math, Math Buzz, Math Leaper, Danger Pit. Okay, so once we look at those practice math games, we're going to scroll down to practice math by grade. We are grade 1, so go ahead and click on that. And as you can see, there's so many fun skills and games to be played. Counting, graphing, measurement, addition, comparison. So for the sake of this video, I'm just going to click on this first game of geometry, identifying shapes 1. I'm going to press start. Sometimes an ad will pop up and you'll have to watch it. That's okay. Right now we're on level 1 of 1. I haven't played this before. There's 5 levels. After each level, you'll complete a star. And then you'll know when you complete a level because this whole rectangle bar right here will be green. And I'll go ahead and show you that right now. So read the question. Which of the following objects is an octagon? Over here, because an octagon has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 sides. Click on that. Correct. So every one you get correct, you'll fill up a box. And then once it's full, you will get a star, and then you'll go to level 2. I'm going to go back. I'm not going to finish it just for the sake of time. And when you do complete the levels, you will get either 1 out of 5, 2 out of 5. I finished this one. I got 5 out of 5 stars. And up here on the top, there's this star you can see. I have 5 stars out of 890. So as I get more stars, this will begin to fill up. And at the end, we will be able to celebrate. How much we've learned. So I hope you learned how to use this website. And you get to play around with it a little bit and have fun and learn a lot. I can't wait. I'm excited. Good luck, first graders.